Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to a new video. And in this video we are actually switching out this boy, this ugly piece of shit right here, because as you can see, when I just sit here and play video games, this is all the space that I got for my mouse, and I can't really move the PC anymore, and I want a full-size keyboard. So yeah, I got like no space, and this is a 32-inch monitor, which is way too big for my desk. You can see I have it propped up on my windowsill with some Duplo, because it works. So yeah, this monitor is extremely large, but I got some parts for a new desk here. So, and this guy's going in the trash can. No, probably not. But yeah, this is probably gonna be more of like a vlog style video. But yeah, I'm just gonna start building this shit. And yeah, third person time lapse. So yeah, I'm just gonna start building this thing, and I'll be back when I have something to show. Yeah, hi, so sorry, the time lapse didn't work out. The shelf is finished, and it opens, and it's got a lot of space for things. Still do kind of need to clean it out a bit, because it's currently quite, yeah, mounted the door on the wrong side. So when it opened, I got this facing me, because the PC is gonna go right here, and then the desk part is gonna go right here. I think it's like to here, it's 185, which is this many inches long, or feet in inches, and then it's 65 deep, which is this many inches and feet long. But yeah, now I need to wait for the countertop to arrive. So yeah, I'll see you back when that has arrived. And I'm back, and this is probably like the time this is gonna be entirely built. Easily. Cable management looking like actual garbage. But yeah, those are some legs. That is a piece of wood, and that's the thingy. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get this installed. Probably gonna have to move this thing first. So yeah, this is gonna be a shit ton of work. But that's my microphone. But I'll be back when I have something to show. And I'm back, and as we all can see, the table is finished. But as we also can see, there is currently no PC on the table, or a monitor on the table, or this chair sucks, or any of that on the table, which is currently a problem. So yeah, cable management time lapse incoming probably. But yeah, I'll be right back when everything is set up. And I'm back. And as you can see here, it is finally finished. Can't really see much because the desk is bigger, but I'm currently got like 20 centimeters of space. So I got my DS, 3DS games, and my Switch games. Got my Switch, then I got my keyboard build, link in the description. I got the mouse, link in the description. I got the microphone, link in the description. Then I got my PC and my monitor and this thing, which is currently full of just random things and some candy. And under the desk, I am using like the back of the shelf to hide a lot of cables. And I am actually planning on buying like a rack that you hang down here. just to get this thing off the ground and to remove some of this clutter. Okay, let's go. First boot of the new desk. And it's not booting. Maybe because I didn't turn on the power supply. Let's just check it. Fans ramping up. You kind of see me in the reflection. Monitors turning on. Top gaming. Microphone RGB. Keyboard RGB. Mouse RGB soon, probably. Soon, probably. I said soon, probably. I said soon, probably. There we got the headphone. Nice. And why isn't the RGB on my mouse turning on? But yeah, the setup currently works. I am putting up a light strip underneath the desk right there for some extra illumination. The one that's in there, can't really see it. There you can see it. That light strip. Yeah, keyboard sound test coming soon, by the way. But yeah, anyways, that is it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Subscribe to my gaming channel, Luquaz. And yeah, follow me on TikTok at Luquaz. Follow me on Twitch at Luquaz29. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!